to asiere amao bosome nso bu nsa de ntiamu sa yaya woro no retu ase twa yaya ba ko a wo de fa maame na aso ya obre no wabomode etu ase simple kra etimiera mizanze ne de e yare kitikiti kra etimiera mana sickle cell sesem no akwada na yese encho bewu no enye no kre maame ne beboa ama akwada no egiana na so na nema akoyi pre etimiera mantu pena tano so apatrapa new site or apatrapa nyansho okwa sickle cell test no yes can test so no obomode etwa fa ne number no ne ni komo 0243 3453920 243 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 no mwa nane manko yefa emfa mama daroma eni ababa betrama ye bredjuma etimiarma na ne na rowani echiemo de Ghana Athletics Association no amasi omko etimie kokoto abato ne zeni epobi obeba ababe etibrekasa oda dwumadi na no aboama ntoto no akoye pe etimiarma na munkomo no ena no rowani echiema opimpa ye friend Bawa Fuseni na dwezeni rowani chim e wa Athletics no masio no ene omusi obo edwuma etimiarma munti obeba ne aba to no so aba ayi ni so no na mbe tibrekese emfa momampa mara eto ye no nipa 54 ekokochiam no emu 50 erebo mode eto aba no etimiere ma aba afuseni ono na ne ya to aba ayi ni so mra na Ghana Athletics no omameye president na mbo ama hihye no enko ye pretimi enfamenti no yenkoma ababa be rameri tudwa na aboa amane ma dadi pretimi edi amana no otweamu ana do ani eko kokochiemu ewo sere niema esi ekwa na Jeze North Premier League Division 1 no no ye England pato motima ye from Carlton Town mu joma na so ene kwam ereboni ombo kwam ekamienu a omwentimi ante Felix Anan ene goalkeeper kokoda mu edema Carlton Town bobuko no na munkomo no ene twebe ebizanze ne game a wababe jam ne sere nema esi ekọ edikan kra e o mo ankasa mu fie no wabomode keep clean sheet na de na kere fan komo sei na odijai
in the FA Cup, and then for me joining Carlton Town, has been great because it's a good family club, and then so far, I've enjoyed every minute, since being here, since pre-season, and then to play my first FA Cup last week, and then now to get the home debut in the FA Cup with a clean sheet, it's a great privilege. Now,
Antiano ye command your bomb de timere tu jani neboa mane ma dadin after no na oto aso bisanze na enzo ye sevia na anwedi mpa anya sanka na mu di kankra take lead no na eno so no komosi no bomb de timere de foul
because we were already losing 1-0, and then I had to make that big save, but that is my job. I try to help the team, definitely to win games. So I was glad I was able to keep the team in the game, and then we got an equalizer in the second half, which brought us home now that we have qualified for the next one.
Eltiano ye command your bomb de timere tu jani neboa man ya makoye pedem after no Sunday leading komo ezanzo koye ne yesi ni fit no eyejuma ojibo ni fichi no wapia na wapia ma no waje na wapia na opia ne sa no so no ochechemu osi ade a onimi ye pa no.
I'm one of the type because I love to play. I love to help the team. To be the 12th man in the team. So definitely, it's good to support the team. To play forward, because definitely when you're able to use your feet, then the team can find you always as an extra man. So I am glad I could also help the team with the qualities I have.
Eltiano ye command Felix Ana bomode tu jabo amane ma dadi impediment and akrobia komasi asante korokomo captain Richard Boadu Agadas ubuna kitifi Ghana onani achemu ewo Libya ekobo ejumede ama El Ali Tripoli bobuko no na eni okoye no oni ahye sede niema isi ko na tutie ni isi etiede ma no komosi no abomode ni adi
saying hard worker for my team. I'll do more here because I'll see different environments. The money born costu, I just say a costume more. I change the more protocol and the leadership on the day. They say no for now there. And especially in the middle, maybe part one to help the team to go forward.
Eltiano ye koma Richard Boadu Agara bomode etimi aka de afa kokuru amo Libya sede ne mesi kona ochechemu a eboama hihye no koye pretimi de me ama Simba Toure former Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko Bechim United Mediama omo player na ne ode futu akra Romania ma Mediama Africa no mo ko akwa akobo.
You have to prepare. And Africa and league matches to meet all the best in the whole Africa. You have to prepare yourself. Africa and league matches. And then like we call through now, referee, penalty, and the Africa the antisa. So you have to prepare well. Me, always easy. Yeah, or moving you crowd, make a share, maybe Oroya need some of the team, or who the every year, almost our competition, for long, more about Africa. So, very difficult, but you're going to for the coming Africa campaign. Very, very difficult, but everything is possible in football, but very, very difficult. But I know they can do it.
Eti ano here command no amesimba tuwe ebomo de etimi eri tu George Zampa ombetimi aye na abo ma bibia akoye pa etimi ede amomo na emu nkomo no ere sere ni ma ezi ekolo dreams house in there kokokura mo Ministry of Youth and Sport omo aso e on Africa no zo mo na ekọ akọ jebeda American Confederation Cup no na abo ma ne ma dadi party ne no o sere ni mesiti a leader of delegation Federike champion Federiki elidi omo Urwari chimo Greater Accra na jaze RFA cho ho a ye friend Samuel Abobri also Kata e kan obi na dream president e friend Mohamed Jiji Alifu obomode join e na Abdul Karim Zito era ni ononso coach Edmond na Abdul Jalilu ononso no e captain Edmond no Koko Rama ministry na so ye omo present omo trophy no etimi ere chair minister no ze we ni ejuma omo abo a MTN FA Cup no mo na etimi omo kwa kugina Ghana na mu akwa ejuma na abo ma da ye pa etimi edi amount is ankomodi no e ya de no so no etimi erama ye de ho nsem no etudwa etimi rama samantesa conference James Sewo no omo afana fi Accra to for 3 years contract na nei wa bo mo de ne omo etimi sign na wie a omo baba be training no na jeze the first training no o ze wa bo mo den a join the team na oni omo na ewura mu ba na baba ye ejuma no Ricardo the video no wa na wa man kofo ahwe Accra na ye hu se wo no sere niema isietie osi ye ne sere ntoto ne isie kono ene wa complete bibi ohwe na wa wura no abo ama hihye no akoyi kama pa netimi ede amomo a ye de nkomo no ewura na bibia adeda yi kama so no etimi ede ama no fiwa gifty or remains na nei mami yakwa kofa ne form se to aba hwe na ya bomodin dabi no ebi aba beka esco we no aboma ne madadi man slot no munkomo no ne na bomodin kofa ne form so no didn't come akran komo say no bomodin di tuja
any ordinary woman, a woman who is result oriented, and she's one of those people. So I'm happy that now women and the men are recognizing that without the women it will not be possible, because it's the women who gave birth to you, you know. But when it comes to the areas where there's a lot of money, and football is an area, or sports is an area where men dominate and there's a lot of money there, who want to see women? And I want to see Gifty, you play that role very well when you get there. That the football, I'm not a football fan though, but I know that the female football team, they have been winning the trophies and things, and when they come, we don't hear the noise. But when the men, they make something small, then all of you are making noise. We want to hear you make noise. We want to give all our support to you. The network of women's rights, we give all their support to you. We rally around you, we rally behind you, and give you all the support. And I know you make a great difference. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Tia no your command Mrs. Gifty or why me say abomode pick phone your bomode de tuja nya no kwa na kuramoko na nira so eta ni chi kama pa tinira pin perfect ni Peter Mensa abomode didi nkomo na also see no bomode ni sem ni tuja.
First time she made me aware that she wanted to embark on this journey, I was a bit skeptical in that I know her work. Naturally, she's a busy person. We sat down, we did the job, and she was able to convince me that indeed when she goes there, she's good. The magic I know her to do on any magical party. So I just didn't want her to just go and then make a presentation. But I wanted to convince that with her busy schedule, to be able to make the impact that she has made all throughout her life. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I am here to present to you someone I believe in so much. Somebody who does things that I tell you sometimes I dare not even do, and even achieve a goal that, in all honesty, I may not be able to achieve myself. So I'm saying, and I am committing myself, and reaffirming, assuring that indeed Ghana will be blessed, and that's for you. Thank you very much.
Tia no ye come ram na just about to no mo be ye de me say said the name su si kono na say the city no come last time they me catch on na so Kukrumuti power ebe yidwuma ti sa prepare na esi etie eneram coach Shaibu Ibrahim Tanko ebo modian university games e course of China the last time Bishop Adamfo no the ninu about said offer say call your comi career no say Ghana ye call ye na yaba na ye ba na ye the medals ni bi ba ya na ne Shaibu Ibrahim Tanko onzo na egusa president ye twibe na bizanze games na ye call ye na the Ghana Russia boy ebo modern timi egi gold medal ba ko de mai na ochechum ye kokodu ye sele na niam esie kono to initiate say no bo modern common boy.
We went with athletes who went compete amongst their peers in the world, which is FISU Games, Federation of International University Sports, otherwise known as World University Sports. So in that stage, Gusa was able to, win a medal, which was something that we should be proud of, because this is the 31st edition of the FISU Games, which comes behind. So when you calculate, it looks like it's about almost 60, 70 years. And this is the first time Ghana is getting gold out of the whole world. So we're placed 35th in the world, and then third in Africa. Third in Africa in the sense that South Africa and Uganda were those who amassed more medals than. So that's why we are placed in Africa.
Elti amo ye command your bomb de to janti we are seeing it also 35 and afia ban Africa ye toso miensa ni na zenya gold medal ba ku bi shema e bo amane ma dead in permana ko je nya na ya man kosa na Karela nso na on sisi be na moye na modi awramu izanze season ya unze nkofa show mo pre-season na se no so odidi du nkomo no wie no yibo eze o mo kra na hwa se ne man sesa afia o mo matches no tamale hwa no mo ko pre-season like ise hwa so no mbebo no nkomo no se no di ramu.
Yeah, the players are supposed to report on Saturday. We'll take off on Sunday, and we'll have it in Tamale. We are going to have the preseason in Tamale. No, it's just a matter of changing of the environment so that when the league starts, we'll be able to, work assiduously. It could happen that we'll be playing our matches in Tamale. It's possible, but we will be playing our matches here. Yeah, the issue is that the structures at the play area, it has to be restructured in the sense that the field itself has deteriorated to the point that it's very injurious to players' health. For that matter, I don't know if we will be going there to inspect. But I know definitely that they will not allow us to play there. So if they are not allowing us to play, Tamale will be our option, because the bankroller of the club is even living in Tamale. So that is our thoughts, and we hope that if anything to go by, Tamale should be the next option.
Eltiano ye command Pimpana Bomodi Timera to Yati Karela United maybe I can 2023-2024 Tamale and Ombeko Akwaku Jamo Abuijmana Boa na Bibia da yepa etimi ede amom Tibaramia ye ramu kakra Nelson na Orwani Chema na Gaman check up no and then the Ghana Football Association Secretary to Bomodi etimi eko Kukushans and Chofo Didi commands on the 20th August 2023. Bosumu woman I just a card that kakri bi bezi nanu do na game ne koso at for the Great Olympics.
Na watch back on
yeah omokoko didi hon komo we said na to any see the game half for so me shuli olisusu on be share has ti mon komo na nya de keto akra no edim pa diminim baby out there be fa ne ade yo na but I just oppose be your dreams sense ya
no I can't some now who be and they can come on picture and try picture and
the normal call ministry or no
picture and LED forms no dreams FC now nominating.
Oh, okay.
The endorse on Subeba. Kotoko settled on Kwesi Appiah to go to the ESCO.
Wow. Bishop. The guy that at least we am going to pass.
This is a big news.
I mean, some packaging no channel pa. We found wolf safe.
The news we the
and I want to home it. I command the boom Papa.
Bishop na I feel about Tony there.
Become Chelsea and nominate Ralph.
Become Chelsea and nominate Ralph. Wow. Become Chelsea.
No, you know what? Achina. Election is open, Samati.
And said the wow. Chelsea in the raffle.
Today, China. That's the rumors making the round.
Endorsement. Any truth?
Hey.
China.
If you want to be ahead of the news, for down for your police headquarters. Yeah, foot when I'm the mom. No. After I teach journalism.
Yeah.
Who are done for Ghana Police Service headquarters for Accra? Obi a person contest Tibiano, Okoji letter or GFA introducing you. Now they are called police.
Okay.
Now police amount clearance. Say oh no. Assembly and you. On the entry freeze is raw.
Yeah, I need
this uncle.
Tell them say so cool.
Right to information there the two police on I think they are trigger.
I feed the premier.
So biggest school competition. As a Premier League team,
5.
5.
So more than that.
Oh no. My last check near do 16.
16.
Yes.
5 of senior.
Now
you 2 division 1.
No, you be 3 or division 1.
Division 1 na man is
Bako. Na RFA the 2 abeso.
RFA the 2 abeso.
You be easy.
I have be there papa. Now you know. Okay, we didn't come from us no.
That is it. I didn't know. News be there.
Class be akọ endorse form. Ya from akọ if you say didn't know mo endorse form. Massa, Ghana dead. Kereku ideally would want nobody to contest him. That is his wish. Obenyanka. You know, all the women's clubs no. Actually, no could the chairman are submitting the forms no. To make a statement. Now clubs need be endorse candidates form no. Has have endorsed kids form.
Heartful. Oh, then
to do any from here. If you want to be endorsed. Nana.
As the endorsement kids.
Oh, I mean, and no. Okay, stakeholders forum now. Omubo, the Kreku family. It was his grandfather. Good. The Hanu militants. AK-47 the macho other side no. Nana. So who class need be forms need be so now you must show. Hey, you know the reason why I'm fantasizing over this, I'm literally drooling.
Because one thing I know here say 50 be last week mo kono did there is ready aso to na say class a hold on na so aji current president atumo my so be 2 adi na akoto amano na out of numbers the crowd every so no bro 50% na na
bebre
only ni nyina de ehu
bebre
china de be si no kofa te the last time ayi regional win kofa ma no ai ni nyina ni ehu no about once you beto na fans bebre ba ye careful he
because so last week now me no na 70
last time we ka as we kid say the carry be up last time we ka go for the be chro no fast time you really are kojo
go see say
akomia okofut mi share da ba fie be mama of the fans
of our only gitum say aduma
na no magic akra na omko be up you are crazy say wo fie olokra bi wa to ama no akomia I want to them to say I will for me na no be up cancer no na enyem won say any pattern ni nyina agye atum ye na be pick enya no kra da wo be that no kra be say kra no ono ni ba bi anadwe no wodada but remember Gina because of
modalities for the elections no who say maybe a trim na to last election here to esco abani wie
yes
the following day
asani
to now the elections modalities that has been proposed and they say yento ne say presidential and parliamentary election okwa no age presidential no akoto no age parliamentary you two the at the same time utiate
enye you be up
therefore
no cram after so moto when you last now check figures na about an uncle phone so clearly hana baneko ba maza ye wiero na the night ayesi
good you know I'm saying I mean clubs are settling on people and lawyer Mandy is representing Karela.
Oh okay
and your congress you need there's so many questions he was raising
exactly and then Sana also nimuno we now Haruna Idrisu backing. So it changes the dynamic. And unim the party politics here. I'm sorry I have to do this. But a replay of John Mahama Haruna Idrisu or Sa elections when.
Oh, you know.
Yeah, because Randy FB has elevated to Premier League with Heart of Lions. So you now have to come here. And Haruna Idrisu has his team. In John Mahama, Ninuya, Ibrahim, Edi Abuara, and the Abbey, and all that. So, like, I'm just trying to let you see the picture. Godfather's I'm waiting. And Randy Abbey is a very good person as a candidate. I mean, he's so experienced. But now, they are more power politics. And I understand why Achi work dreams for Nudian. He needs them now. And you're president in a darling boy. Of course. Achi is Keto Kreku's darling boy. He does a lot for him and a lot for the good of our football. Ntino, say a two. Nanke bia ye two abano GFA ESCO. You better on a Friday. Near to president Saturday. And I be a GFA ESCO Thursday. Near to president Friday. Your two ESCO new repair. Maybe I only can be a just a copy account.
Yeah, we go on
clearly you would see. But and then on the chunk of wood rough. Literally. Say Kate, a bit my tower chi and him say Kate candidate. Or catch your clubs no. Say me candidate ni. Or kono luswa. Maybe a Kate to be an ambition.
Yes.
Oh, I presented this guy. Some of the things happening now. If you don't be elections register, the momu yembe shom election register. So muhua yembe shom because some of the people coming to vote omo nanwe ho da
omo beba beto aba
aya
oba tu biara come to me
I don't know
in the elections itself mewa
and there we know omo yembe shom only to yembe shom say I beto there o
ai and the bedroom nsem no bi o da pan here to see minimum bi our sign look minimum bi o te panel we so a okoto aba no bi yeah
o na refiara because sheme abotre
na me hu team no